Hey everybody, and welcome back to another Clean With Me declutter organization. This time is actually going to be of the master bathroom. This is one of those rooms that I have been putting off forever, as you can see, because there is mess in every single drawer and cabinet. You can hardly get anything else in there. I'm looking forward to cleaning out, decluttering, and getting rid of some things that I know we haven't used in forever. So I hope you guys are ready to watch me tackle this bathroom. If you're new, consider subscribing to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn the bell on so you're notified every time a new video goes up. And also, you can follow me over on Instagram and keep up with me there as well. So let's get to cleaning. So I decided to start with my side of the bathroom, and that's just kind of because I want to get rid of a lot of these products that I know I don't use. I hardly use anything in my hair, to be honest with you. I'm kind of simple when it comes to that. So I was looking forward to getting rid of a lot of these products I know I've had in my cabinet for probably years and have never used them, or used them once, didn't like them, and just never got rid of them. So this part I'm excited about. Also, if you guys have any suggestion for storage containers for your bathroom underneath, let me know, because I have those two baskets you can see there in the background, but I really would like to get something a little different. I'm not sure exactly what I'm looking for, but something to kind of hold my hair care products and things like that, some makeup, nail polishes, and you know, that kind of stuff. So if you have any suggestions, make sure you leave those down below. And I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but down at the bottom of the cabinet, I'm having the same issue in the bathroom as I did in the kitchen. If you watched the declutter of my kitchen, you would have seen where I lined the shelves. A lot of the paint was peeling. Well, I painted the bathroom, same type of paint, and it didn't stick. So you can see there's paint coming all up. Wait until I get to the drawers to show you what it looks like there. I had so much paint come off, it was kind of embarrassing. But you'll see what I'm talking about once I get to that step. But for now, I'm not going to line the two big cabinet areas. I'm going to actually do that later because I didn't have enough liner. But I actually do line the drawers. I'll show you that shortly. And this side is done. It looks so much better. And for now, what I'm going to do is just keep my hair care products in this basket right here. And I don't use a lot, like I said, so I don't need a big area. And back here, I'm just keeping like all the extra lotions and things we don't use often. And blow dryer makeup. And then that's it. That one's done. So now we can move on to the next one. Now to my husband's side. Actually, it's not that bad. A lot of this honestly is our dog care stuff that we have, like shampoo, conditioner, things like that for them. And he only has a few things down here. So this side shouldn't be too hard. an update on the Dyson, guys. I'm really enjoying it. I love it. I use it every single day, and it's just been nice not to have the corded vacuum. I do still have my corded vacuum just for other type of jobs, but for a quick everyday, I love it. Look at the space I now have underneath this side. I was super impressed by just getting rid of a few things and doing a little organization. It really opened up a lot of room in here. Now this side is done. It's going to be time to move on to the drawers, and this is the one part I was really dreading because they're a mess. Look at how bad this looks. Oh my gosh, like super embarrassed to even show that. That is just from where that liner has been sitting and the paint I was telling you guys about that I've got to end up scraping out. But when I'm done, it looks so much better, so just stay tuned.
Perfect. Perfect.
So it looks better, right? Oh my gosh, so much better. So now it is time to move on to everything that was inside of this one drawer. And I did want to let you guys know that I have a lot of loose, like the floss picks. I just ended up chunking those because they've just been sitting in the drawer, and I don't know what happened, if the bag got dumped or what happened. But yeah, getting rid of a lot of this, and it's going to look so much better when I'm done. How much stuff can you fit in one drawer? I mean, seriously. So the job is done, guys. I finally finished it. It actually took a lot longer than it is here, of course, because a lot of it's in fast forward, but I'm glad it's done. It took me probably a couple of hours to finally get everything organized the way I wanted. Eventually, I do want to line those 2 cabinets as well. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not. And guys, I'll see you in my next video.